Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to set up Zoom on your computer. If somebody says to you, hey, I want to do a Zoom with you, but you're unfamiliar with what the heck Zoom is and how to use it, this is for you. As a reminder, this video is only for users that want to use Zoom on their computer. If you think you might want to use Zoom on your smartphone, I have another video for you. So our first step is going to be typing Zoom down here into the search bar. That's Z-O-O-M, okay? Zoom. And then you'll just press enter on your keyboard. That'll take you to your first result, which is zoom.us. That's going to be what you want to click on, zoom.us. Okay? That'll take you to the page. And then up in the right-hand corner, you'll see a little button that's orange and rectangular that says sign up. It's free, and it really is free. Zoom's always been free. If you want to use it for 40-minute meetings for up to 100 people, it's unlimited online video conferencing meetings. So just click sign up, it's free in that right-hand corner. And it'll take you to a place where it'll want you to put in your date of birth, okay? So you'll put in that date of birth. It does not save this on its page, so it's not really going to be able to distribute this information to anyone else. It's just so it'll allow you to sign up, okay? Make sure you're not a baby or too young to be using the platform, and continue. All right, you'll put in your email address, and it does not have to be a work email address. It can be a Gmail, your personal Yahoo account, your AOL, whatever, okay? Okay, and then you'll click sign up. It's going to say, we've sent an email to your email address. Click the confirmation link in that email to begin using Zoom, okay? So you're going to go to your email. Hopefully you'll have an email from Zoom, okay? You'll click that email, and then in that email, you'll click the blue button that says activate account, okay? Are you signing up on behalf of a school? And you'll say no if you're not signing up on behalf of the school. Continue. Okay, and then it'll say, welcome to Zoom. Cool. So you're now in where you can put in your information, okay? So there we go. And press continue. It'll give you a place to invite your colleagues. All right, you do not have to invite any colleagues. Just say I'm not a robot and skip this step, okay? Okay, so now that you're in, you're going to need to know how to join a meeting. So you're going to go up to the right-hand corner, right up here where it says join a meeting, and click join a meeting. Okay, once you're in there, you can insert the personal link name you've been given or the meeting ID you've been given. And if you have a password, it'll also ask you for a password. Now, the step after that is it's going to ask you whether you want to enable your microphone and your camera, and you're going to say yes to both of those. And then it's going to open a new link to your actual Zoom meeting. It'll look like a little new browser, and you'll just expand that and be in the meeting, okay? So now you should understand how to do that, but if you don't, just let me know and I can help you out if you have any questions. Thanks, guys. Bye.